This is occupied. The paint looks pretty good, actually. Okay, and there is a doggy inside. Okay, so we have some really beautiful looking tile. As you can see, the front entrance is in this courtyard. So we're in the midst of a neighborhood. So you have typical neighborhood traffic. We have this beautiful patio overhang. That pet door is going to be removed, presumably when the seller moves out. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Sorry. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll just take my shoes off.
I got it. Good boy.
The quality of everything is great.
Everything.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, I don't need it. I improve everything here. I don't need it. I don't think I'm going to come to the other one. Yeah, everything. I don't have another choice than the new one.
Is it okay if I look in the closet?
Open it.
Okay, thank you.
You want to close it? I'm going to close it.
Oh, wow. It's pretty big. Look at that lighting. Change those out from pigtail lights. Okay.
All the light. Closet too. All the room. So all the fan, new, I don't know. Everything is okay.
Yeah, everything looks great.
People look. I don't know.
So this room has pink paint and stripes, but it's a secondary room, so Jenny sometimes says to leave those colors unless the tenant requests to be changed. I have the plantation shutters throughout, which are really beautiful and in good condition. Upgraded fixtures, thank you. Actually, everything is upgraded. Hi, puppy. I'm just okay. Upgraded. Beautiful quartz counters. Backsplash all the way to the ceiling. Quartz counters in here as well. Paint looks good. Light fixture looks good. Everything looks great.
I painted the side last month for everything. One in my house. The floor, my friend. The other stuff.
The condition of everything is fantastic. Everything looks like it's done properly. Where's the water heater? Ah, here it is. Okay, that's the house. Absolutely gorgeous.